morning, welcome to the Wellbeing Garden. It's the first Wednesday of summer and it's raining. Not that I should be complaining because everything's been really dry recently, and we just needed a bit of rain, needed things to get a bit nice and wet, and give the plants a chance to grow properly. But things have been going okay. We've got Neddy's herb garden coming along here nicely, and new planters over there with strawberries in, which are going to be enjoying the rain, and daffodils. Still waiting for sign of life from our wildflowers here, which aren't showing any sign of doing anything, I don't think. Oh, unless these are some of it. Oh, maybe there is hope. We will see. The ducks seem to have passed on. No, they seem to have moved on, not passed on. No sign of them on the pond this week at all. I like to think that maybe they were just using this as a staging post, where they were like, hey, let's meet up at the Wellbeing Garden in the spring and then we'll go on to wherever we're going to. It's nice to see them, but yeah, I think they've moved on to other locations now. Yes, let's see what the day brings us. It's been quite an active day in sustainability today. We've done mown the grass, we've sorted out some of these planters for us and for other people. We're planting up lots of strawberries over there. We've restrung the hops ready for the new harvest, for the new lot that's coming through now. And a bit of a tidy up, kind of renewed the war on stinging nettles. I'm leaving some. For instance, there's some over there tucked away, because there are things that like stinging nettles. There's types of caterpillar and butterfly that like them, so we'll leave a few around. This is, after all, a well-being and a nature type garden. So long as they're not in a place where they're going to be stinging people on a regular basis, we're happy to keep them. So a few around. Oh! Did we see that? Did we capture that? A few around. Oh! A few around. Oh! Ducks just returned. Yeah, they seem to be using this as a bit of a sort of a stopover place at the moment. I hope we caught him landing, because that would have been fun. Yeah, there he is. He's back. So at least one duck is happy to stay with us for a while. I don't know what's happened to the other two. There's no sign of foul play. Haha. So we assume they're okay. But this guy's come back again. So maybe we'll have him for a bit longer, coming and going.